and Portugal experienced the worst blackout in decades this April. Cities went dark, airports froze, hospitals scrambled, and millions were left powerless. Experts from ENTSO-E report that cascading grid collapse triggered by sudden generation losses and renewable energy overload, and exacerbated by disconnection from France. Why does large-scale integration of new energy actually increase blackout risks? The intermittency and volatility of wind or solar power destabilize the grid. During extreme weather, the withdrawal of conventional power sources coupled with aging transmission or distribution networks weakens peak shaving capability, elevating blackout risks. Pilot All-in-One BESS over 4-hour stable discharge to smooth renewable energy fluctuations. IoT Multifunction Meter EGO700L. BESS ensures stable power supply, maintaining data integrity throughout outages to guarantee zero data loss for fault tracing. Green transition demands balancing ideals with reality. While embracing renewables, we must fortify grid resilience, stable and long-duration energy storage capacity, and global technical collaboration. Pilot redefines smart energy. We integrate world-leading technologies for efficient energy management across industries, infrastructure, data centers, buildings, and homes, from endpoint to cloud, connecting monitoring devices, controls, software, and services to promote the decarbonization process.